anyo bende buko ga polisi. Mano gima kata in bi iseneno. Bang'e to giduogi wacho ni wan mago nok jowa, jomoko none manodonjo ketho gik moko. To ere kaka polis nyalo ng'eyo seche ma koro lweny wuok, mtok ng'ate iwang'o, duk ng'ate iketho. Ere kaka gibiro ng'eyo ni magi tok joge Ojiro, magi koro joma undu.
You know Trevor adier makede en ni kani luongo wa kae kanwa chopi gate nwa dhi through surveillance system mamaru kae ichopi do gate tipenji ni in ng'ano tidhi kanye to in wendo ng'ano. It's a process. So kada no dhi protest gidwa timo petition mamargi ama gidwa timo peaceful assembly kaka katiba tayowa enini police ni kod majukumu as much as ni jopiny madwa timo ng'anyo mamuolno ose notify gi. Gimomiyo iluongo police nen mondo o protect jok madhi ng'anyo gi. To kende gimomiyo bende iluongo police and police should work closely kod jok madhi ng'anyo gi to detect any suspicious elements and deal with those individuals or elements. So you cannot transfer that responsibility mar identifying jamahundu gutweyo to ng'at moluongo ng'anyo. That's why we have got a new legal dispensation. Magin wa
konye mondo tieki kapoko tieko wa ng'ade matin. Mane mo miluongo ng'ato ni convener.
I agree. I was coming there.
And convener no koro Kenya wacho ni responsibility no mar police. Convener ni ema konyore gi police.
I agree. Mawacho kai.
Okay.
Yes. So let me just finish. So one responsibility mamondo kikao wani oru maber. To police ni kod greater responsibility. Niko poni jamahund odonji girwani to deal kod jogo according to the law. So you cannot transfer that responsibility because responsibility, the laws have given it to the police as we are aiding and supporting. But the greater responsibility, it is like Dalit and Maru Dala. And in this situation, it is the police. Marario, ayoko wacho ni wate one code equal responsibility. But the police has got greater responsibility. In plain and blank. The police got greater responsibility, but any training glon mara yama kawaida ongego. The police got skills on how to deal with the crowd, whether it is charged or not. Japiny makawaida ongekodo. Police got weapons. Monyalo tiyogo mondo o disperse kodo crowd ama onitol o deal kodo violent actions. Jopiny ongekodo. Thirdly, one could give the criminal justice system and the institutions. So give me what I'm raise one. Ni police do mondo or push responsibility ni the ordinary citizens. To mara rio ni police achiel ni odwa mondo en mobed arresting officer, to bed investigative officer, to bed prosecutor, to bed judge, to bed prison officer. We are saying every officer have got a duty. Koro sitema gi morotimore. We strongly believe in the fidelity mar katiba. Wawachon ka gi morotimore. Ng'ama nendo pango kikao cha. En nyaka luonge mondo bende dadhoge. Was kikao neno mare. Mondo bende ong'is wan at what point did hell break loose.
So masiche magi wacho ni onge gi nying gin faceless, gin formless, gin tribeless.
No, you know the issue of faceless, tribeless was a tactic. It was a political statement. It was a tactic. Because was saying regimes mose bet kabiro en ko ponu otieno wino ko wacho ni we demand accountability sega kama Mr. Wino Gede to wacho ni magojo luo. So the young people were saying, do not respond to me as a Luo. Do not align me with a tribe. I am a human being. I am a Kenyan. I'm a patriotic citizen. And more important, listen to my issues. So Maka were tactful statements to circumvent the state strategies on silencing the young people. So it is not on the issue of protest. And if anything, maandamano manetumre Nairobi kakai. If I may give an example, Rex Masai, who was known as one of the Gen Z leaders. I'm giving you a simple example. One could young people like that lawyer. Ma was disappeared. bedo tortured ko duogo. Another example, Bob Jagi, negi committing a crime money. And if anything, if there is any individual mo commit crime, sheria wacho nange. Dongi make, dongi book isel, dongi yaone file. Kaiwa ineno ken ko sufficient evidence, give witnesses moro mi, dongi teri prosecutor. Prosecutor kopwodhe dongi tere court.
Okay.
So gimomio aye kod power enenia. Gilos about the police excesses. What we need now to do is to interrogate those statements and also ask IPOA, what are your recommendations? Because kini jatelo, like Mr. Win and jatelo, ka ikelo complain as a leader, tipenjogan, what do you offer? What are the solutions? So gimongo benua penjere IPOA, and gini kod recommendations mane. King yo news masa achiel mara Ramogi kae, nendo wachini, achiel kuom police manene obedo involved onego Baby Pendo. Ariyo kuom gang matumre. Moro wacho ni tuo. To moro lal. So imagine one Kenya ma police nyalo ga lal. Police lal to police take dak yude. To inija Kenya to me 1 2 3 kakudimanyi. So we have a issue. Ebo pe wacho ni one police gino wetewa.
Yeah.
Mae watna. Wadena mangeny bende gin police. Moko bende jonyuolwa. They are our family members.
Okay.
Last time Mr. Winner no wacho ni jo Kenya okone ka support police ahinya. Let me give you some of the most three important support mwasem yo police. Mokwongo wan koda law. Majo Kenya wege manomire. The 2010 constitution, which is progressive, mumu yo police oteko matimo tijigi. Mano support. Marariyo, wasebet ko the reform agenda, ma Mr. Wino have been part of the police reform agendas. Njenya karero kubalongo ni police reform working group. Ma Mr. Wino was always attending in these engagements. Maktasani OCS niko daguche $1 chonegi ombogo. Mago be out of the new reforms.
Okay.
Sani kingiyo on matters of health. Police niko the insurance, including counseling services. Chone onge police service. So ni tiki kamabeyo mose tumini police. Emo mi owacho ni in the same vigor.
Yeah.
Mwa push kodogi kamabeyo. It will be the same vigor. Mabende wa identify gon ango. Well, let me give an example. Kawuono kotimore. Nentie nyithindo ariyo nyoro. Nyodhi kwelo Naivas supermarket. Nyithindo gi nyo omaki kod management ma supermarket. Boluongo police mane patrol around that area. Mana ngong road kakai. No kawgi, no terigi police station. The OCS in his own wisdom, no luongo weg supermarket. To luongo families mega nyithindogi. To get discuss mangeny. To gundu wani from the circumstance. Kodaka pi awiya nyithindogi. Achiwo this kind of direction and guidance. Nyithindogi odio losgo, or tumingi counseling, or konyigi. Mondo kick account this direction, it might harden them. So the police are also doing very good work.
Okay.
But remember, Nima a national police service or can somebody talk dialogue.
Okay.
So any mistake, I'm a cry bagi better involved in. Tuomo chunjo penny because that's the first line of defense on matters of protection of human rights and fundamental freedom.
Okay.